Drill driver, hammer drill. What's the difference? Here we have a drill driver and a hammer drill. Two very similar tools, and just by looking at them, most people probably wouldn't really know the difference. This one here is also a hammer drill. Now here's the difference. A hammer drill has a hammer function where when you start having enough pressure, there's a hammer that actually goes up and down to help hammer through concrete, brick, things like that. It sounds a little something like this. Not necessarily a pleasant sound, but when you need to drill a hole in brick or concrete, this is what you need. This is also a hammer drill. It's a little bit smaller, not quite as powerful. Same idea. This is a drill driver. This does not have a hammer function. You can put a drill bit into it, drill a hole in wood, and all of these, you can loosen the chuck and put a different bit into it if you need to run a screw or anything like that. You hear that clutch? That clutched out on me. This also has a clutch just the same. The clutch keeps the screw from going any deeper than what your setting is for. This also has a clutch. So these all have the same functions, except these hammer drills have that hammering function to help you get through brick, concrete, stone. That's the difference. Now, how do you know that? See right here? It's got a little hammer on the side of it, right there. That's how you know it's a hammer drill. You can also look up on the dial. There's a hammer right there. That's the setting. I put it onto hammer. When I twist it off of hammer, I just put it onto normal drill. Now it's going to function just like this drill driver right here. So the hammer's not going to happen. All it's doing is spinning. But as soon as I put that hammer function back on, it'll kick in and it'll get louder again. Get the difference? So if I were to have to pick one of these, what I would do is pick one of the hammer drills, because these hammer drills do everything this drill does, this drill driver, but it also hammers. So if I had to pick one, I'm picking one of these hammer drills. If I did not have to pick one, I would get all of them plus others. But that's another story, another day. This is just a small part of our larger tool course. If you want to check that out, please have a look. Purchase that tool course. We're going to help you learn how to operate all of these tools. You're going to be a pro. If you like this video, you like our content, please like, subscribe, check out our free resources. You will not regret it. Renovation University, from demo to design to done.